In making your rainbow popcorn, you have to pop the colors you want. Pop it separate. So here now, this is a strawberry popcorn. I've made strawberry popcorn differently. I've taught you guys how to make strawberry popcorn. So I will also want to add blue color popcorn. So this is blue color, the bluish color. Yes, you have to pop it separate. Pop strawberry separate. So I'm going to add lemon color. I've also made a video on how to make lemon color. So this is the lemon color. You pop it separate to any other color that you want to mix together with it. You pop. You can as well pop chocolate. You can as well pop another different color that you want, but in this case I'm going to make use of the strawberry popcorn, the bluey color and the lemon color. So now it's time to mix the rainbow color. Mix the three colors together. If you have another one like chocolate, you mix it together. So I'm adding the strawberry popcorn right now. The quantity that you want to make, you add it, but most importantly, pop the colors differently in a different pot. That is, pop them differently. Now I'm going to add my lemon color. So let's see what the outcome will be. So after adding your lemon color, mix it together. Let's see how it goes. So it's like the strawberry color is more than the lemon color, so I have to add up all the lemon color that I have in the nylon. So after that, I still mix it together. Then you add in your bluey color, the blue popcorn. You add it. Let's see what the outcome will be. But this is how to make the mixed color that you normally see, the rainbow color that you normally see. Yes. Then you mix it together. Use your spoon and mix them together. You see, is it not colorful? It is very, very colorful. This is how to make it. Some people were asking me if they should add the three colors at the same time in the pot. No, if you add the three colors, it will give you a different color altogether. So it's better you pop it separate. This popcorn you are seeing here, whenever I mix it like this, it doesn't take time on my table. People will just come and prefer to take this rainbow color instead of the white one or the chocolate one or the strawberry or any other color. They prefer taking this mixed color. This is just how to make it. You can go and try yours. Go and try your own mixed color. You can add another color here. Some people used to add pure green. And if you want to make pure green, this lemon color, you have to increase that color if you're making it. By then you will get a pure green color. So this is how to make strawberry popcorn. Go and try yours and thank me later. Bye.